Hey guys, Kevin from Kevin's Off-Road here, answering a question about our rock sliders. So often we get the question, will our rock sliders actually fit on long arm kit X, Y, Z, whatever it is? And the short answer is yes. In almost every case, it will bolt on with very little modification, if any, needed at all. The way we redid our rock sliders when we redid them several years back is we tried to make them as easy to fit with every single different long arm kit on the market at that time. Obviously there's been others that have come out since then, but we attached the front rail to the side of the frame rail. Most long arm kits attach to the bottom of the frame rail. So ours attaches to the side of the frame rail in the front, and then at the rear there's a locating foot that goes both on the side and the bottom of the frame rail. It's like kind of an L-shaped bracket basically. Very simply and easily that little foot can be trimmed off, and it can actually be welded to your actual long arm kit that's on your frame rail welded in. So basically just by trimming off that little section that goes under the frame rail to locate the rock slider up and down as far as where it mounts on the frame, very easily that can be trimmed off, and then it can be welded directly to your existing long arm kit assembly that's underneath. The Clayton long arm kit is the one that we're most familiar with, but there's other ones obviously out there, probably a dozen other ones out there. Essentially it's real simple and easy. The person who installed the long arm kit for you could very easily do that, and also you yourself could do it real easily as well. If you know how to weld, then it's going to be a slam dunk. If you do not know how to weld and are not set up for it, that's not a problem. All you've got to do is just trim off that little toe that goes under the frame rail so that it clears by your assembly that's been added to the Jeep as far as the long arm kit assembly is concerned, and then you can just bolt it into place at that point. So super easy, just a slight modification that may not have to be done at all if you're running one of the 4 long arm kits that existed, or 5, when we built the new jig for the rock sliders. Also, and some people take us up on this, we can send you our rock sliders without the legs welded in place. So if you've got a custom install, if you got some crazy stuff going on underneath there, we can send you the rock sliders with the main body detached from the legs. So that's an option for you as well. There's no additional charge for that, but just let us know when you're ordering that that's the way you'd like to do it, and we would be happy to do that for you. Thanks very much. I appreciate you stopping by, and there's more videos like this at KevinsOffroad.com/blog. Thanks for your business. I appreciate it.